For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, and you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Deepak. Well, the number of COVID-19 cases and the death toll is on the rise with each passing day. Just recently, India was at the 6th spot after overtaking Italy in terms of the COVID-19 cases. But now, India has reached the 5th spot by overtaking Spain. And speaking about the number of cases that have come to light in the last 24 hours, it is 9,983 new cases and 206 fresh deaths have been reported in India in the last 24 hours. But what is shocking about the entire COVID-19 pandemic-like situation in India is the fact that the vulnerable ones are those who are above the age of 60. So, according to a recent statistics released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Department, it is said that only 46% of those who are below the age of 60 are being vulnerable or are contributing to the fatalities of COVID-19. But the larger part is contributed by those who are above 60 years of age, which is close to 54% of those people who are above the age of 60 are dying because of COVID-19. You might be wondering how these people can develop a shield against COVID-19. Well, I'll give you guys a few tips, especially a few tips on lifestyle as well as a few diet tips which will help the elderly people develop a shield to fight COVID-19. Let's start off with lifestyle tips. The tip number one is to stay away from youngsters. The most important tip is this, because many youngsters roam around the city and at the end of the day they come back home, and those who are at home might be above the age of 60 years, and coming in contact with these youngsters who have traveled in containment zones or traveled by public transport or even to places which have a lot of population could be carriers of COVID-19. So the first step which is advisable for the elderly is to stay away from them and isolate themselves from the young ones at home itself. So the second tip is sleep for at least 6 hours, because sleeping will contribute to boosting your immune system, because sleep deprivation increases the risk of COVID-19 pandemic, because sleep deprivation weakens the body's defense system and makes people more vulnerable to COVID-19. So getting 6 hours or even more than 6 hours of sleep is very essential for those who are above the age of 60 years. And the third tip is walk regularly, practice yoga or light exercises near your house or in your vicinity. Taking a morning walk or performing yoga on the terrace of your house, helping your aged loved ones with this will also help them shield themselves from COVID-19, because performing yoga and a little bit of physical activity will help your immune system. So following this step is very important. Well, these are some of the lifestyle tips. So what about the diet? Well, those who are above 60 years of age must eat light and also warm food once every 3 hours. Well, you might be wondering what the reason could be, and for that we have an expert who will answer that particular question.
Normally we advise light and warm foods for them. When I say light foods, it could be things like soups, cooked foods, and not very heavy foods like deep fried foods or rich desserts and things like that. But on the other hand, whole grains, simply prepared dals, vegetables, cooked vegetables, fresh fruits, all of these help to not only build immunity but also help in easier digestion for the elderly.
Now that the expert has given you the reason as to why the elderly must eat light food and eat warm food regularly in 3 hours, let's move on to the second point, which is preferred food type which the elderly people have to eat is vegetarian, because there are reports which are doing the rounds that eating meat could also spread COVID-19. So experts have advised the elderly people to stick to vegetarian food, because the risk of contracting COVID-19 from vegetarian food than meat is very less. So stick to vegetarian food. And for those of y'all who are wondering why vegetarian food helps apart from the reason which I gave you, let's listen in to an expert.
Vegetarian foods are much easier to digest for the elderly population and for everybody in general, and not laden with deep fried foods or very rich foods, but simple home cooked meals is best for the elderly. Of course, plenty of vegetables and whole grains and fruits are essential to keep the elderly healthy.
Well, that was the expert who gave us insight about eating vegetarian over non-vegetarian food. And the next tip is Like they say, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. Similar lines, one fruit a day and also 4 to 6 dates a day will keep COVID-19 or any virus infection away, because fruits help us maintaining a proper immune system, and dates, dry fruits like dates, will help us maintain a better and a stronger immune system and a defense system against COVID-19. So consuming one fruit or 4 to 6 dates every single day will help you maintaining your defense systems up to the mark against COVID-19. And the next tip is that continue regular intake of your medicines and also include supplements which boost your immune system, because people who are diabetic and have sugar and other age-related ailments should continue with their normal medicines every single day and should not skip them. And along with that, they should also take some supplements which will help you boost your immune system. So by doing this, you will also have a natural way of maintaining a good immune system, which is by consuming fruits, and also by taking supplements, it will add to your immunity. At a time like this, when there is no vaccine or cure for COVID-19, like they say, precaution is better than cure. Following these lifestyle tips and also taking note of these diet tips as well will help the elderly, especially those above the age of 60, have a shield, or rather develop a shield against COVID-19. So if you like this video, please drop in your comments, and also more importantly, like, share and subscribe to News 9 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you for watching.